Guys, I'm about to show you an incredible project that's allowing people like us that maybe have not done mining before to actually get involved in something that can make crazy money and teach you that mining is the future. People just complicate it. Let's go into GoMining, guys. Hit that like button while you read this disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor, just for education purposes only. It's game time. All right, guys, so you can see here at GoMining.com. This is where digital miners can earn you daily Bitcoin rewards. And I'm going to go deep into this for you. Okay, we're going to be talking about the miners, the token, the games, the launchpad, and everything, so you can just mine straight from your phone and harness the power of verified data. So start mining with any budget, guys. The first thing we're going to talk about is the fact that you do not need to be a rich crypto enthusiast to get involved with this. This is made purposely so everyone in the world can get it. Okay, it's got unique miners for every different kind of miner enthusiast. You can also sell your miner on the GoMining marketplace wherever you wish. Okay, digital miners start from $27.99. Everybody can afford that. I spent that in Starbucks today. Annual payback of 40% in BTC rewards I calculated, and results will of course vary. They got daily BTC rewards directly to your wallet, so you can connect your wallet in up to seconds to get a lifetime of solar mining Bitcoin. Okay, right now, guys, 228,017 digital miners have been purchased and over 3,963 BTC has been earned. Do you understand how much that is? Especially a Bitcoin at $100,000 a coin, and we have 3,963, about to hit 4,000 here. All right, absolutely insane. You can check their recent payments. You can see fully transparent transactions on here as well, guys. All right, very, very cool. Now it's powered by physical Bitcoin mining data centers. Now, something I want to really make clear about this, okay? This, of course, is the new way to buy digital miners, like I've spoke about, but, okay, this makes it effortless. Literally effortless. With verified service providers, guys, they've got a continuous uptime of data centers, ensuring a dedicated team of professional technicians and engineers. All right, so it means that every step of the way, you are not getting involved in something that is an upcoming project, or something is, we're launching a mining system that's going to be confusing. This is a simple, you want to make money with miners, here you go. Now, look at the reward calculator. So if we go for a digital miner price, let's say at $1,266. Okay, we're gonna choose, I would probably choose a big $1,266. Okay, that means we're gonna get a 48 TH. All right, now guys, this is easy to figure out how much money we can make. Okay, with our energy efficient going past the 20 watts, okay, you can see here, no matter where Bitcoin is with the expected price, right now 100K, even if we go bare minimum at 90K, which we all know is gonna go all the way up, bare minimum at 90K, okay, you can see here a total unbelievable of 28.73%. You're actually gonna get $2.52 every single day. You're gonna get per month $75, and guys, you can also get a 20% on maintenance with the GoMining token. Now, this means you're gonna save up to 20% maintenance and earn more net rewards just by using the tokens, which is gonna allow this to increase at 34.4% every single time. It's really incredible, guys. The top exchanges have already approved this, and there is so much news going on about it. When we check out the price at 0.4889, okay, this is going crazy. And what I wanna really look at right now is if we go to the year, this is one of, say, there's how many cryptos out there? 10 million? This is probably one of 10 that are actually in such a high performance during what is known as now the crash over the last 2 weeks, 3 weeks. Crypto's going down, and this is flying. Okay, the last month, okay, you can see there's been some volume going into here in the last 7 days, some volume, 1 day. Okay, what you should always do is check the last year. If you got involved in August last year when they started really ramping this up, you would be in such a profit right now. You would be like, George, I need to watch all your videos tonight. Okay, this is incredible. All right, so we got a $201 million market cap, 412.12 million of GoMining token in circulating supply right now. So it's a perfect time to get involved. Now, as we go to their Twitter, it's at GoMining_token. That's GoMining_TOKEN. 100,000 plus followers, guys. They're always releasing information on here, and also introducing education on why you should be mining, what Bitcoin is, things like this that probably most people in the space don't do. All right, so guys, stay tuned to their Twitter for more. And like I said, guys, we actually have a 5% on this channel discount. If you go down below, okay, you're gonna get 5% discounted on the first purchase. Okay, make sure you use that promo code in the description. So if you want a miner that is effortless, okay, it has its own data centers, over 9 of them, so they can make sure this runs clearly, then guys, this is 100% for you. As we go deeper into the game, okay, you can actually compete for BTC and gain rewards in here. There is an unbelievable amount of Bitcoin getting played. Just simply download this on Google App or App Store, play it for yourself, and you'll realize it's extremely easy. And last but not least, probably the most important, okay, I want to touch on the GoMining token. This is a token that is powering the ecosystem, okay? It's listed and traded in the top 10 decentralized exchanges, okay, which is absolutely insane. Token benefits, it's going to be your key to higher BTC rewards. Like I showed you in the calculator, you're actually going to get an extra 20% on this, okay? You can upgrade your miners with this token, maintain it, buy and sell unique matters, participate in the governance, and provide liquidity for earning and fees. So guys, there's a lot to talk about in this project that I won't be able to finish today, but you can see that it is absolutely incredible. There you go, guys. Hit that like button, hit subscribe, and the bell notified. Remember, I do give you that discount of 5% if you look underneath in the description. All right, get there right now, and let's get mining.